Hello, my name is Shreyas Rana, and I made the app COVID Connections. So, what is the problem? The problem is that coronavirus has taken the world by storm. It is a virus that is highly contagious and spreads like the flu. If someone is infected with coronavirus, people who have been in contact with them are at a huge risk. Most of the time, diagnosed people do not know everyone they have been in contact with, be it friends, family, or someone whom they briefly walk by at a grocery market. This is where COVID Connections solves the problem. What is COVID Connections? It is an app that brings awareness to coronavirus. It uses Bluetooth to detect who all is around you and if you might be at risk. The device stores data such as the Bluetooth MAC addresses, the UUIDs of the device around it in a local database using a room library. If you are diagnosed with coronavirus with a tap of a button on the home screen, you can let everyone know that you have coronavirus and that they might be at risk. This is done by sending a list of UUIDs to the Firebase server, which sends notifications to all the devices in the list. And here's a brief screen map of the app. Some of the challenges that I faced were I initially tried to use Flutter and Dart so I can use both Android and iOS, but I ran into some issues with its Bluetooth libraries, so I switched to Android. After switching to Android, Bluetooth was not that much of an issue, but I tried to make a local database, and that was hard. But at the end, I successfully used Room, and it's working fine. So I used the Bluetooth libraries, the Room database, Firebase real-time databases, and Firebase cloud messaging for notifications. Okay, so we're gonna open the app on both phones and continue. So now the devices are going to start looking for other Bluetooth devices in proximity and see if they're sendable. So they're soon going to find each other, these devices, and then they're going to share data such as UUID and Bluetooth MAC address and the time. And then after that, we will click I have been diagnosed with COVID-19, and it will send data to the Firebase database. Then it'll send a notification to each of the affected devices. So automatically, as soon as we hit the I have been diagnosed, it sends a pop-up, and it also immediately sends a notification to each of the affected devices as shown on the left. Completely automated by cloud messaging.